Good afternoon, YouTube. It's Hubster flying his beautiful, beautiful Hobby King Hurricane 2B, the Hurry Bomber. Let's let him get it in the air, YouTube. Yep, safe mode is engaged. Got your controls. Okay. Right, let's go for launch. You flinched.
Step back.
Well, that's a big flinch, I'd say. A whopping big one. Give it some figure eights to the camera. Whoa. Now that was technically called the very low pass.
Oh dear.
Let's go fetch the lovely Hurricane and watch Hubster doing his walk of shame off into the green middle distance. I'll probably add some cheesy music here. There he goes. Hope he hasn't broken anything. I'm sure it'll be alright. These birds are really tough. We're going to cut here and pick up when he gets back. Quick update on the bird after the dandelion cutting exercise. Yeah, this suffered so much damage. All that's happened is that one of the cannons has popped out, and we'll never find it in grass like this. So I'm probably going to take them all out and make some carbon rod versions and glue them in heavily. Anyway, so bird is ready to fly again. So let's do the business.
Right.
Okay, ready? And off again. How much time you got left on your 2 minutes 24? Okay, right. I'll see if they have got the cannons, but honestly, things like that they don't really support for some reason because they're useless. Hear that, Hobby King? Pull your finger out for God's sake. Let's have all the parts available for all the models. Of course, that's a bit pretentious of me to presume that Hobby King was sort of come and see my pokey little channel. Never mind. Sure enough, people are on their case about such things. Still looking beautiful, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, take it round. Go around. Perfect. Perfect plop in the long grass. There she is in all her glory, in one piece, nearly. Yeah, flying like a champ though, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Alright YouTube, thanks for watching. Hope you'll come along and watch another video sometime soon. Stay safe. Bye from me.
Bye for me.